Welcome to our journey through the Amazon rainforest, the world's largest tropical rainforest. Here, where the mighty Amazon River snakes its way through a tapestry of vibrant green, lies a realm teeming with life in a way few other places on Earth can match. Let's dive into 30 fascinating facts about this incredible ecosystem, a place of immense beauty, astonishing biodiversity, and crucial importance to the health of our planet. The Amazon is the largest tropical rainforest on Earth. It covers a staggering 5.5 million square kilometers, an area twice the size of India. This immense wilderness spans across 9 South American countries. The Amazon teems with life, harboring 10% of all known species on Earth. The lifeblood of this ecosystem is the Amazon River, the planet's second longest. This mighty river discharges a fifth of the world's fresh water into the ocean. The Amazon isn't just teeming with life, it breathes life into our planet. It produces 20% of the Earth's oxygen, a staggering contribution. Over 390 billion trees stand tall in this vast cathedral of nature. These trees are essential, locking away a staggering 100 billion tons of carbon. The Amazon has been home to indigenous peoples for over 10,000 years. Over 400 distinct indigenous tribes call this rainforest their home. They speak over 300 languages, a testament to the region's cultural diversity. The Amazon's insect life is astonishing, with an estimated 2.5 million species. Over 1,300 bird species grace the skies, filling the air with their songs. The Amazon is home to 430 mammal species, from jaguars to giant anteaters. The Amazon River system teems with over 3,000 fish species, a dazzling array. Jaguars, the apex predators, roam here alongside anacondas and electric eels. The Amazon is a treasure trove of medicinal plants, many still unknown. Sadly, this rainforest faces threats, deforestation being the most pressing. The Amazon receives an incredible 9 feet of rainfall every year. This rainforest plays a crucial role in regulating our planet's climate. The dense canopy, a world of its own, blocks out almost all sunlight below. Pink river dolphins, a unique and charismatic species, inhabit these waters. Natural rubber, a vital resource, originates from the trees of the Amazon. Remarkably, some tribes here remain uncontacted, their worlds shrouded in mystery. The Amazon is home to the Victoria amazonica, the largest water lily in the world. Myths and legends passed down through generations permeate this ancient forest. Tragically, many species here face an uncertain future, threatened with extinction. Acai, kupuaku, and camu-camu, exotic fruits, originate from this rainforest. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Amazon rainforest. We hope you found these facts as fascinating as we did. But our exploration of this magnificent ecosystem doesn't end here. The Amazon still holds many secrets, many wonders yet to be discovered. Its future, inextricably linked to our own, depends on our understanding, our respect, and our commitment to its preservation. Stay tuned for more amazing discoveries from around the world.